Now let's start with question number 4. Now question number 4 says how many lines can pass through. The first part we have one given point. Now suppose we have this point. Now let's check how many lines can pass through this point. See, if we draw the line like this, it will pass through this point or this diagonally, right? So many lines can pass through this point. We cannot count also how many lines will get which will pass through one single point. So we will write countless lines can pass through one given point. Okay, so now in the next part we have two given points. Suppose these two are the points. Now let's check how many lines can pass through these two given points. Now if I draw the line horizontally, so this is one line. Okay, now see, if you want to draw like this, it will, suppose this is point A and this is point B. So what we have observed that this line passes through point A, not through point B. Or if we want to draw like this, if you want to draw like that, it passes through point B, not through point A. So what we have observed that only one line can be drawn using 2 points. Okay. So if we name it as AB, then AB is a line which passes through these 2 points. So that means how many lines can pass through 2 given points? Only one line can pass through 2 given points. Okay. So what we have observed that countless lines pass through one single point, okay, and only one line can pass through 2 given points. Okay, so this was all about question number 4. Thank you, students.